What? What?
Hello. Quiet, please. This is a library.
Hello, come in.
Thank you.
Give me that! It's mine now!
Excuse me, may I borrow this book, please?
Of course you may.
Thank you very much.
Rip! Faster! Faster!
Oh no. Gently. I'll be careful. Books like to be treated nicely.
I'm done! Bye!
I'll put them back. Thank you for the story.
Come again soon.
Quiet, please. Careful. May I borrow? Thank you. Say it with me. Bye-bye.